Hello, everyone, and welcome back. Let's talk about how to build your own SCP game in Roblox Studio. First things first, you have to choose a concept. You can go for facility breakout, like players trying to escape a containment breach, Class D survival, players are D-class personnel trying to survive various SCPs. Role playing, players take on roles like guards, researchers, or SCPs. Horror exploration, the focus is on a creepy atmosphere and discovering secrets. Second, you have to define your SCPs. Pick a few SCPs that are manageable to create. SCP-173 and SCP-049 are popular choices due to their well-known mechanics. Third, you have to design the map. Think about the layout of your facility. A standard SCP facility usually includes containment chambers for each SCP, control rooms for buttons and monitors, corridors and hallways for players to navigate, service tunnels and vents for alternative routes, lobby and cafeteria to add detail and atmosphere.